Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the font size in Moodle app. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure you've already downloaded the Moodle app. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, you will see this page. Here, you can enter the URL of Moodle site of your school. Now, in order to change the font size, you need to go to the settings. In this page, you can see the settings icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now from the settings menu, choose general option. Tap on general. Once you're in the general settings, you can see the text size option over here. It has 3 different sizes of text. You can select your preferred font size. You can simply tap on any of these and it will be applied to the whole app system. So that's it. That's how you can change the font size in Moodle app. It's a very simple and easy process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.